Good morning, students. I'm Tasneem Sheikh and I'm going to take your 9th standard English. Let us start with the first chapter, that is the poem Life. Life is written by Charlotte Bronte. She was born in the year 1816 and died in the year 1855. She was the one who was the English novelist and the poet, and of three Bronte sisters who survived into the adulthood and whose novel became the classic of English literature. Here in the poem Life, she explains that the bad days does not stay for long. It passes away, it goes away. But we just have to have patience in our life. In today's situation, it gives us positivity and it encourages us in this poem. Today, such kind of situation what we are suffering from. We are facing bad times, but children, this bad time does not stay for long. One or the other day it passes away. So let us start with this poem. I'll read the poem, children, stanza wise, and then I'll explain. Okay, let's start with the poem Life by Charlotte Bronte. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say. Often a little morning rain foretells a pleasant. It means that it tells us, saying, life is not a bad dream, children. Many sages says that is very difficult. Life is worst, it's bad. We have to face many challenges in life. But it is not so. Life is beautiful. God has given us gift to human being. It is very beautiful. It is said that it means that there is no darkness. Definitely there will be sunshine. If the darkness comes in our life, children, one or the other day there will be a sunshine in our life. So we don't have to regret or complain regarding it. Let the morning rain come because it brings a pleasant day for us. So why to repent or why to regret for certain things? Here, foretells means to predict something. Pleasant means you know that it follows the happy life or happy day. Let's move with the next stanza. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lemon its fall? Here it is said that sometimes there are clouds of gloom. Gloom, children, means it's a dark cloud. Actually, where people have, many people or everybody we should say, have ups and downs in our life. We face many problems in our life, many challenges in our life. We have to go through it. We have to face these kind of challenges. It is also said that, but these clouds, they are transient. What do you mean by transient? It means that it is temporary. It is not permanent. It is going to pass away. That means it says that bad times will pass away. So we have to have faith in us. We have to have courage in us that we will one day definitely will move ahead in our life, passing away all the darkness of life. Then it is said that if the shower will make the roses bloom, if because of the shower means rain. If it is said that because of the shower, because of the rainfall, when the flowers are blooming, then why to regret on it? Why to complain when the rain falls? It means that it brings pleasant day for us. It brings new day for us. Here, children, bloom and lament expresses grief or regret. Next, rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by, gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. Here when they are talking about sunny, merrily, it means they are talking about happiness in the life. They are saying that when God has given you life, it's a gift to us, then why not to enjoy the life to its fullest? Let us enjoy the life, each moment, each day of the life. Gratefully, cheerfully, let us enjoy till the day passes away. Let it be, even if the good days are passing away, it is going away. Let it be. Let it go away. Let it pass away. But enjoy till the end of the day. Let's go with the next stanza. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win or hope a heavy sway? What though death at times steps in? What happens if the death takes away our beloved? It's okay, no problem. One or the other day, everybody has to die, children. What happens if the sorrow is winning on us? We can pass these bad days or bad times and move ahead in our life. Let's go with the next stanza. Yet hope again, elastic springs, unconquered though she fell, still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Or giving you more importance about the expectations or desire. This poem tells you more about expectations, more about desires. It stresses on it. It says that when the person has expectation in their life, desires in their life, it makes the person more stronger. It makes the person more courageous. It makes the person more fearless till the time the expectations or the desires are fulfilled, children. The time when we are talking about expectation, it is said that in the stanza, still buoyant are her golden wings. Buoyant when the things that get rise up high. And it is said that expectation is having golden wings. Why it is said so? Because expectations and desires never die, children. It goes on and comes again and again till we have life. And we have to handle this situation more strongly with lot of power, lot of strength. Let it be, face the challenge in our life. We expect every time that there is God who's going to make everything all right. That is expectations. That is the expectations where we feel that our God is looking everywhere and He is the one who's going to fulfill our desires, who's going to make everything all right. Now, children, let's move with the last stanza of the poem. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair. Here they are trying to tell us that if we keep expecting and the expectations, we will be strong, we will be fearless, we will become more courageous. We are never going to be afraid of anyone in the life, and we are going to face any kind of challenges that is going to come across in our life. We will win with courage. This is what our poem tells us all about. I am going to put up certain activities on the screen, children. I think my students are going to write these activities in their notebook and difficult words in their textbook. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.